Hey guys, welcome back to Zone Investments. Today's gonna just be a quick Friday session video talking about some of my day trading swing trades and some of the requests I had for potential stocks that you can add to your watch list for, a green weekend and a green Friday. Getting right into it, I want to go over this first stock, TEVA. It's moving okay this morning, but I want to talk about its potential. It's had great news. It's been upgraded to a buy by a couple analysts. Um, it had news about its treatment coming to the U.S., which is going to increase revenue, hopefully. And it has potential for profit. As of yesterday, it went up to almost $19 in the pre-market, and it has some of that way to go. It's moving slowly, but it looks like it's moving up during this day, and there's a chance that it can reach this previous point around 6% away and even go farther. And I wouldn't even mind holding this for a swing trade, looking at the news it's had. So that's really it for TEVA. So pay attention to that. Looking at you guys, this stock's been having a lot of negative news. It's been on a consistent downtrend. EMAs are looking pretty bad, and it just had news that it's gonna be going through a reverse stock split 110. So I would just be careful with this stock. Maybe go into it for a day trade, but I wouldn't go into it for a swing trade, especially now over the weekend. It's a bit risky. But if you think it has potential, then by all means. But I don't think this stock is worth the risk right now, as it's going to keep trending, as it seems like it's trending down overall. But yeah, for a day trade, 1 or 2% from it wouldn't be bad. For day trades, looking at blockchain stocks like Riot, DPW, MARA are always good ones. Riot is moving up today. It's already up 7% today, and it looks like it could keep going. Looking at its 180-day, it has potential all the way up to $33. So just watch out for that. Like I said, anything like this, I would just use it as a day trade. Blockchain stocks are very volatile, and I wouldn't recommend holding them over the weekend or overnight or anything. Some people make a lot of profit from doing that, so just don't take what I say and run with it. But for me personally, I don't hold these overnight or over the weekend. They're just a little bit too risky for me. But yeah, definitely just watch out for this. It's moving up with, at a calm rate. And right now, it's acting normal, but it has potential to go to 30 or at least 33. So just watch out for that, and set a stop loss. Same thing with the other day trades, this other blockchain stocks. Just same kind of deal. Day trade them. I wouldn't hold these overnight. Looking at AKS as a swing trade, the EMAs are starting to cross over. It broke the 200-day EMA on a 180-day chart, and it has potential for a profit of around 20% to its previous price point. So I'll definitely watch out for this. This is not a bad swing trade. It's a mining company, steel company, or something like that. And yeah. So in terms of this, it's showing signs of upward movement. So I wouldn't mind trading this. But again, with anything, you just do a little bit more research. This is just like a brief technical analysis kind of thing, and this is one of the stocks that someone asked about. But yeah, I don't think it's a bad stock. I think the volume is enough for a trade, and I think it's moving up. So really watch out for that. Next stock I want to go over is ROKU. This is a nice stock. Everyone knows this as it's been moving up quite a bit over the past couple months. We called it out around 39, this price point. It's been up some time, and I believe it can go back to $50. And I'm in a swing position till it hits there or around there at least, and I'll sell off. But yeah, ROKU still has potential. If you get it now, look, it's been moving great today. If you get it now, you still have some potential for profit around like 5%. But like with anything else, Roku is an exception, isn't it? An exception. It's kind of close to its resistance, so this is kind of a risky trade. You have a lot of potential for loss and not enough, a lot for gain. You can lose up to 20% and only gain like 5. So if you haven't got into it yet, I would say maybe wait till it breaks this, or just take the risk and go for the 5%, but keep a close eye on it. Now the next stock I want to go over is DGAS. The inverse ETF of you guys, and this is not going through any splits or anything like that, but it's been moving up kind of consistently, kind of the opposite of you guys. And honestly, people are asking about this one, and I would really just be careful with this as well. I would send an alert if it breaks 40, but I'm personally not going to be trading this just to all the news and everything going around surrounding you guys and D guys is a little bit has died down a little bit, because right now the price movement isn't as predictable as I would like it to be. But so for this, I actually treat this as a day trade too. Just me personally, I feel like there's a bunch of other swing trades that I can swing safely. But yeah, this has been moving up ever since I said it would. I said everything in a previous video and in the Discord that once it breaks 33, it's going to keep moving up, and it has. And this would have been the perfect time to trade it. Right now it's near 40, which is a major resistance, so I would just be careful with that if you're planning on trading it there. And yeah, but that's really it for you guys. Next is XXII. And yeah, we've been talking about this one since it was $2. And I've been calling this one out. Been saying it has its profit for a swing trade. I've been in this for a while. I've been in this since like two something, like early twos, like 206 I think. So right now I'm maybe around like 30% profit, but it still has ways to go. I think it's been moving up pretty consistently as of recent weeks. Looking at it, it still has this way to go. I think it can reach that price point. It's going to take some time, so don't look at this as a day trade or a 1 week swing trade. Just be careful with this. Set alerts and get in at a dip and watch it and ride it up. I like this company, and I like its technical chart. So yeah, this is another one I think will be fine added to your watch list. And lastly, the last one I wanted to go over was BZUN. I went over this in a previous video too. Called this out around 27. We bought it around 27, and we're still in it, up around like 15 or 14%, something like that. And it just broke it looks like it's trying to break this 200-day EMA, and if it breaks that successfully, it could ride up 15% all the way back to 36 to its previous price point. So I definitely just keep this on watch. I think it's a good stock. It's been moving nice, and I don't know too much about its fundamentals, but I think overall it's a good company. So just watch out for this. Add this to your watch list. This can definitely be something for profit, and it still has a lot of room to grow. So just set alerts, set reasonable stop losses, and add these stocks to your watch list for Friday and going into next week. And overall, that's really it. Just wanted to make this video kind of quick, have this out to you guys by early on in the day, and hopefully this helps. Thanks for watching, and link in the description for our Discord. If you have any questions, comment or message me, and I'll be happy to respond. But yeah, thanks for watching.